This time in the Quick Speed Shop, we're going to look at some old school traction action to help you get your truck unstuck when you're out there all by yourself. I'm a professional, don't try this at home. So what we're looking at today is a set of Morton Manufacturing Company new old stock Tire-Trac plates to get your trucks unstuck when they're out in the mud or in the snow. These are a new old stock set from 1946. I saved them from the trash. This is the crate that came in, and the box is made in Chicago, Illinois by Cravener Company, and it's got a date of 3/46 on it. And the box by itself is super cool. It's got these wire tabs that bend open like this. Like this. Yeah. And the whole box, oh, got one more here, hold on. The whole box is dovetailed like this. It opens up super awesome, and the true tracks are in here, a little bit of old cardboard holding it down, but I saved the box because the box is super cool, and you know, you don't see stuff made like this anymore. It's super awesome. Really strong way to package this up here. It's got what it is on it, Morton Manufacturing Company from Chicago. Super cool box, I'm saving that. But I've also got the original instructions, which are super cool in themselves. How can you beat this for super awesome? Look at the colors on this. This thing is new old stock. This is the wide set for dual wheels, but you got like a Diamond T looking big truck here, and super awesome. Backside, got the company information here. Shows the different scenarios of the truck being stuck here. And I also have the instructions here on the original paper. I mean, this stuff was right in the box of these. I didn't do an unboxing because I had to get these out before, but super cool stuff. I'm saving all this paper. I'm going to actually frame the instructions here eventually. Super cool to have the original instructions with it here. So what you have, you get one set. There's actually two in the box. I already used the other set, but here's one of them for display. So you got this awesome canvas strap on here, so you can carry it like that, kind of like a belt. I'll go ahead and loosen this up. These are wet because I just had them out in the snow. My truck was stuck and I had to use them. But you go ahead and you lay this out. Bam. Go ahead and lay this out. Look at this. It gives you wide contact patch here. And these are dimpled both sides. It's like a 3/16. Actually, it's two plates welded together, but they're dimpled both sides. So you get traction action on both sides. Actually, the paint's coming off because it's 70-year-old enamel just on here. But these things work great. My truck was stuck in the ice and snow. Let's go out and I'll show you how they work. So bam, you saw that. I got right out super easy. I was spinning, I was dug right down to the ice. The snow was hard pack and then a ton of ice. And this thing walked just like tracks on a dozer. It spread the surface area out and walked my truck right back off on no problem. It worked great. So I actually carry this set in my my Project Green Machine 95 F250 for winter time. One for each side. Both sets that came in this box. I haven't used them yet on that truck, but I've used them in a couple other off-road scenarios, and they work great. I was at a picking in an old transmission shop, and a guy was scrapping a whole pile of these. I had a whole bunch of loose ones in, 3 or 4 sets new old stock in the box. So I've used the loose ones here and there in other vehicles, and I had to bust into this new old stock set, and I'm glad I did because the instructions are dynamite. They're gonna look super cool mounted up, hanging on the wall. But just a cool old-time tool. You know, the simple stuff works the best. I'm actually gonna let these dry out a little bit, but simple stuff works the best, and they're super durable, super traction. These guys are building these in the 40s, 1946, they said, and I'm sure they got lots of trucks out back in the day. So here, just a cool little video looking at some cool stuff. You know, when you see this old stuff, don't let it get thrown away. You know, if you're can't use it right that day, don't trash it when you can stash it. That's what I say. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Hit the bell for alerts. Tell your friends, and we'll see you right back here at the Quick Speed Shop for hot rod builds, running around, junkyard cruising, sometimes cool old stuff, whatever else is going on here at the Quick Speed Shop.